It is time once again for the Law and You. Back with us today. They got through the awards. They made it here to the studio. Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Good to see you guys.
It's a big weekend. Greg, what's going on this weekend?
Jennifer's birthday. Happy birthday.
It is my wife's 32nd?
Yeah.
32nd birthday.
I remember that birthday we had in Miami together. She really enjoyed it.
I think she was 25, you know.
And you didn't forget. You got it right off the top here.
No. Happy birthday, honey.
Well, happy birthday to Jennifer. And here's our question today for the Law and You. My husband fell off a truck in the lumberyard at work. He later found out the truck should have had a safety device to protect him from falling that was not on the truck. What can he do? Mara and Oliphant wants to know. So she's saying, what can be done here?
Well, at a minimum, he's going to have a workers' compensation claim because he was in the course and scope of his employment. That's first and foremost. You want to get that claim filed now so that you have some income coming into your, to your house to pay your bills. And then secondly, you want to look to who owned the truck. Obviously, if it's somebody other than the employer, then you may also have a claim against the trucking company. And then after that, you also want to look at the basically the manufacturer of the truck. If the truck was supposed to have a piece of equipment that it didn't ultimately have that made it unsafe, you might have a claim there too. You're going to have a couple claims, like Greg tell you what you're going to need to do to pursue these, but you got a lot going on here, a lot.
Well, the one thing with the workers' compensation claim is that you really have to get moving on that. You got to make sure you give your notice. You got to make sure that you're actively treating, and you're going to the doctors under the Workers' Compensation Act the first 90 days. You have to treat with their doctors. So make sure you do that. All the other stuff will kind of fall into play, but that's the most pressing issue right now is the workers' compensation. And I think you need to pick up the phone and call a lawyer because it's a complicated case. Workers' compensation becomes very adversarial, and you need to get somebody involved in your corner ASAP.
I mean, we say it all the time, but with any tractor trailer case, even one like this, you have got to get an inspection done of that tractor trailer immediately to preserve the evidence. Otherwise, you're going to impact your own
products claim. Right.
All right, Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.